And because I'm super excited, guys, I'm going to show you another movement that you can do with this. You don't need a $4,000 Rogue Rhino, mate. Not that I was going to buy one. I'm 23. When I was like 19, 20, I probably spent like $10,000, maybe more on gym equipment. Most of it I've sold off for probably like $2,000. It's not worth the value. All you need is a power rack. It's the Force USA one. And you probably already have this stuff lying around. So I just showed you the belt squat. So I was probably getting like this range, and that's fantastic. I just went to Impact or a gym on last weekend. I tried the 5 different leg presses, belt squat. Everything was good. It was like a Force hamstring sort of high pulley thing. It was like a ground-based movement. But with the belt squat, I mean, all those machines, nothing beats the squats and tension compared to free weight movements for me. I do like machines, that's why I'm doing this, but check this out. So if you watch Garage Gym reviews, you know that the belt squat can be used for a bunch of things. I mean, I can use this low pulley and shit for rows. I don't need a row machine. I can do a bunch of different angles, man. Like, it'd be good to have an adjustable one. I saw you could do that. Adjust it for a belt squat and then drag it down to here for one of those functional trainers. Don't need that, mate. You just need some carabiners. I mean, this strap, like, you can use a chain, it's long enough. I don't have one. But anyway, so I'm going to show you another movement that you can do with this. So, and also, when I'm worried about the strain this is putting on the machine and whatnot, like doing that, there's absolutely no weight in that. It's just, as opposed to the cables moving, or as opposed to the stack moving, the strap is moving, so it's not going to damage your system. And if I load it up with whatever, just do that, that's 20 something kilos. There's no weight, so I'm not going to wreck it, but you saw I could do the dips, long-winded version, which I probably just could have written up. And then, so make sure you're actually hitting into the right one. This is why I have 2 carabiners, because I'm stuck with this issue right now. But just for the sake of time, I'm going to show you what you can do. So I'm going to click back into here, come back up, unclip. If you have this up at the bottom, you don't even need this setup. You can just use this, but check it out. Oh, let's move this away. That'll do. Smooth, man. That's smooth. Trust me when I say, like, I've done my pull-ups. That is a smooth range of motion. Ooh. As opposed to sitting up with the dip belt and stuff. I mean, if I could go a little closer, because it's not a perfect resistance. It's pulling me that way a tiny bit, but it's not going all over the place, so it's way more stable. So if I can chin, that feels fantastic. If I had my dip bars here, you could literally do dips like that. It's not perfect because you'll hit your head here, but it's also good because there's a bit of distance between you and the rack. So yeah, you can do weighted pull-ups. If I had the little dip station here, I could do dips. I have it that it's set up in this way though, so I probably couldn't do it with this setup. Got a belt squat and pull-up machine. As you know, I'll do it like this. You could do rows. There's no issues, man. So let me just get back in. These are massive carabiners. I got them from some random abdominal strap. And then I'll also show you from this angle if you can see it. That's the range I'm getting with the belt squat. Maybe a little bit less if I had another carabiner. So be about that. Oh, that's enough. You can hold here, you can hold here. Trust me when I say it feels fantastic. So, and then take that off, and then the weight's all off me. Doesn't feel like it's damaging the machine. I can load it up as heavy as I want it. That's about just under 30 centimeters. Could be a bit more, give or take, but try that out, mates. You'll love that one for sure.